Hey there, aspiring trainers. Welcome back to another exciting episode of our YouTube video series on trainer guidelines. In this third episode, we're going to dive into the art of designing engaging content that keeps your audience captivated throughout the workshop. So, let's get started. As trainers, it's essential to create content that not only educates but also entertains and engages our participants. After all, an engaged audience is more likely to retain information and have a positive learning experience. So, how can we create captivating content that keeps the audience hooked? Let me share some practical examples, expert insights, and actionable tips to empower you on your journey to becoming a successful trainer. 1. Start with a bang. Begin your workshop with a powerful and attention-grabbing opening. You could share an interesting anecdote, ask thought-provoking questions, or use multimedia elements like videos or visuals to set the tone and pique your participants' curiosity. 2. Incorporate interactive activities. Break the monotony of traditional lectures by incorporating interactive activities throughout your workshop. This could include group discussions, role plays, case studies, or hands-on exercises that actively involve your participants in the learning process. Interactive activities not only engage your audience but also provide them with practical experiences and opportunities to apply what they've learned. Attention spans are shrinking and learners crave shorter, focused learning experiences. Dedicate episodes to creating microlearning modules, incorporating techniques like screencasts and explainer videos. 3. Utilize multimedia elements. Visuals, videos, and audio clips can be powerful tools to enhance engagement. Use relevant images or infographics to support your content, share short video clips that illustrate key concepts, or incorporate audio snippets to add variety and interest to your presentation. 4. Tell stories. Humans are wired to connect with stories. We remember information better when it's presented in the form of a compelling narrative. So, weave stories into your content to make it relatable and memorable. Share real-life examples, case studies, or personal experiences that illustrate the concepts you're teaching. 5. Use technology creatively. Leverage the power of technology to create interactive experiences. Consider using polling tools to gather audience input, interactive quizzes to test knowledge, or virtual breakout rooms for small group discussions. These technological elements not only engage participants but also create a dynamic and collaborative learning environment. 6. Break it up. Long lectures can lead to disengagement. Break your content into digestible chunks and incorporate breaks or transitions between topics. This gives participants a chance to process information, ask questions, or engage in quick activities that reinforce learning. 7. Be enthusiastic and passionate. Your enthusiasm and passion for the topic are contagious. Show genuine excitement, use engaging body language, and maintain eye contact with your participants. Your energy will help create a positive and engaging atmosphere. Remember, designing engaging content is an ongoing process. Continuously seek feedback from your participants to understand what resonates with them and what can be improved. This feedback loop allows you to refine your content creation strategies and deliver even more captivating workshops. So, it's time to take your content creation to the next level and captivate your audience throughout your workshops. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll explore the secrets of effective communication techniques for trainers.